Installation video for the Beast. Heavy-duty XXL full-motion TV wall mount. Remove the arm assembly from the main mount body. To begin installation, the arm assembly must be detached from the main mount body. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 pre-installed bolts and 2 security bars that secure the arm assembly to the main mount body. Then, separate the arm bracket from the wall plate. Wood stud installation. Use a stud finder to locate the wall studs and attach the wall plate template to the wall at the chosen position. Use the bubble level to ensure the template is level. Mark all 6 lag screw positions on the center of each stud through the template. Drill pilot holes using a 7/32 inch drill bit to a depth of 2.6 inches. Secure the wall plate from the main mount body to the wall using 6 lag screws and washers. Concrete or brick wall installation. Attach the wall plate template to the wall at the desired installation location. Use the bubble level to ensure the template is level. Mark all 6 lag screw positions on the wall through the template. Drill pilot holes using a 3/8 inch masonry drill bit to a depth of 2.6 inches and insert the concrete anchors. Then secure the wall plate from the main mount body to the wall using 6 lag screws and washers. Reattach the mount arms. Hang the mount arms onto the wall plate. The arm assembly does not need to be reinstalled centered on the wall plate and can instead be installed toward either side of the plate if needed. Position the security bars on the back side of the wall plate and align the holes on the arm with the security bars. Reinstall the bolts that were removed earlier. Install the horizontal rails. Remove the bolts securing the pre-installed horizontal rails from their shipping position on one side of the visa plate. Reposition these rails by aligning them with the outermost 2 holes on the side of the visa plate. Secure them in place using the provided bolts. Install the remaining horizontal rails on the opposite side of the VESA plate in the same outermost position using the remaining bolts. For TVs with regular visa patterns, select the appropriate size bolts and washers, then align the VESA brackets vertically with the mounting holes and secure them to the back of the TV. For TVs with tall visa patterns, attach the extension bars to the top and bottom of both visa brackets using the provided nuts. Hanging the TV on the mount arms. Carefully lift the TV and hook the visa brackets onto the horizontal rails. Attach the safety brackets to the visa brackets just beneath the horizontal rails using the provided security bolts. Leveling adjustment. Place the bubble level on top of the TV, then use the wrench to slightly loosen the 2 leveling nuts located behind the visa plate. Adjust the TV until level, then tighten the 2 nuts securely to lock the position. Tilt adjustment. To adjust the tilt, loosen the tilt adjustment mechanism using both tilt clamp levers. Tilt the TV forward or backward to your desired angle. Once adjusted, tighten the levers. Cable management. Use the integrated cable management clips on the arms to route cables to the back or side of the TV.